Hi, today I want to present to you our MoldMaster System. This is our newest creation for 2019. We're going to make toggles. As you can see, we have different shapes of toggles, and you can make them in different sizes by using different metal clays. So let's start. I'm going to open my box. This is a universal box that will allow you later on to insert many inserts and create many things. Today we're going to work with toggles. We're going to create simple round ones. I'm going to lubricate my round inserts. Place one in here. Using 6 card thickness rolling frame, I'm going to roll out my clay. Of course, you can see it's big enough. We can just trim a little bit. And we put this one on top. And then we top it off. This, as you can see, it's going to be a closed box. The clay is in the center, and we're going to press with our C-clamp. Make sure you press really strong in the center. And release. You can even turn it to the other side to make sure you have a tight press. And release. Now let's open the box. As you remember, it's layers, so we're gonna peel the first layer. Here is our toggle. As you can see, it came off loose, which is amazing because we want to take it out. And the access clay, we can just peel it. So easy. There is no waste. I'll show you closely. The clay here on the side, as you can see, it's paper thin, meaning I did really good press with my C-clamp, and there is no waste of clay. So now I want to tap it, so I'm going to flip it over, and it's just a recommendation. You can brace it on your pegs, so when the toggle falls, it doesn't fall high or far. So I'm going to put it and just tap it with my one side. Just fell very gently, and now I want to tap the other part. That's it. Okay, so let's clean it. And you can gently use this couple to remove the clay. My dog here is getting tired of me making noises. You can use the sanding block gently. Oops. Anyway, the sanding is minimal and you can leave them as they are, or you can decorate them. And I decorated too, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a close-up. I have this one, circle with little hearts. Cute. And I have this one, which I already attached to a necklace. That it has the little leaves. And the little leaves is from our Little Leaves stamps, 3D stamp, and we're gonna put the link to it. And it's so cute, and it's a great addition to your pieces versus the sterling silver clasps that you can, buy everywhere. Just nice finish to your pieces. Thank you for watching me. Bye.